Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep frying some ground pork meatballs. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Very simple. Ground pork, seasoned ground pork. I season it with some chicken bouillon, MSG optional, black pepper, garlic powder, and some fresh rosemary. Okay, so the seasoning is very basic, very easy. All right, and then we're going to form that into meatballs like this. Okay, then we're going to dip it in some egg, and then dip it in, coat it with breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs. This is Japanese panko, and this is what I like to use, this brand. All right, okay, I'm going to do one for you. Just take some ground pork and form it into a ball. You don't want to make it too big, because otherwise it's going to take too long to deep fry. So form it into a ball, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to dip it in some egg. Okay, and then coat it with some panko breadcrumbs. Like that. And now this is ready to be deep fried. Okay? All right, let's fry these up. I'm using corn oil. And then we're just gonna fry this up until golden, crispy, and brown, okay? On medium heat, we don't want it too high, all right? Okay guys, as it's frying up, you'll notice that there's gonna be a lot of these residue from the egg and the panko. So I just wanna take one of these strainers, ladle strainers, and just kind of scoop them out so that you can keep the oil clean looking as it's still frying. Okay, just like that. Just remove it. And occasionally just stir it, move it around so that it's all evenly cooked. Okay, we're almost there. Okay guys, so when it's almost halfway cooked, I went ahead and turned up the heat so that it finishes off cooking and gives it a nice golden color. Okay, so halfway through, I'm going to turn up your heat to high. And then let this cook until it's crispy golden for another 3 minutes. Okay? Okay guys, look at this beautiful golden deep fried meatballs. This is done. Turn off the heat. I like to use a cooling rack when I take them off the oil, so that any oil can just drip right off of it. Deep fried pork meatballs, guys. All done. Deep fried golden crispy pork meatballs. Look at that. So what I like to do is, I like to eat mine with, let me just show you the inside. Look at that. I like to eat it with country gravy. So it's kind of like a country fried pork gravy meatball. It's like that, guys. Mm-hmm. So good with the gravy. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.